Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can win Monopoly Go Community Chest. So here, as you can see at the middle of your board, you'll find the community chest ready to open. But basically, every time you land on a community chest tile, you will add money to the community chest that can be found on the board near the free parking tile. Now, in order to open the chest and claim your prize and rewards, you need to invite more friends to join and play the game. So once enough friends have accepted your invitation to play, you can now open the chest and win with your friends. Okay, so let's try to open the community chest. So we're going to tap on open. Then it will show you a mini game right from here, and it will show you your friends on the board. So basically, you can win times 2 up to times 50 and get a extra gold stickers right from there. So all you need to do here to win this community chest, you just have to tap on the start button and it will choose here any of your friends on the board. So for example, first try, we have times 2. Now again, let's tap on start button. Now we got times 3. So continue playing until you get all of your friends on the board. And here, as you can see, we have a gift. So we're going to open this one. And as you can see, we have collected a 5-star gold sticker. So we're going to collect that. And continue playing by tapping on this start button. Okay, now we got another one here. So times 5. So we have 700 plus thousand Monopoly Go money. Now here, once you pick up the key, then you will get that rewards. So basically, if you want to win more money on community chess, you make sure that you select all your friends on the board so you can get more rewards. So from here, just need to collect this money. So yeah, that's all. That's how you basically win community chess in Monopoly Go. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.